Now, ahead of the January 16th mega nationwide COVID-19 vaccine rollout plan, Prime Minister Modi chairs a crucial meeting with all chief ministers over their preparedness of the COVID-19 vaccine rollout. In fact, the meet is between the centre and the states in a bid to check vaccine coordination network and ensure efficient delivery. The meeting comes days after Health Minister Harshvardhan said that the government was ready to roll out vaccines for the priority groups soon. Government has already identified 3 crore frontline workers for phase 1 rollout of the vaccine. Of the meeting there, you're looking at some shots of Prime Minister Modi holding a crucial meeting with chief ministers of various states across of India. This is going to be a Herculean exercise where in the first phase 3 crore people will be inoculated. This comes just right after days of approving 2 vaccines for emergency use, Covishield and Covaxin. Both have been approved by the regulatory bodies. Both vaccines are going to be rolled out in large consignments. In fact, here you already have 25 million doses, or rather 50 million doses, enough for 25 million people that Serum Institute have already churned out. Logistics and transport delivery, all of that is being overlooked at right now. They've just initiated that process. In fact, right at the same time, while Covaxin is also going through phase 3 trials, the government now planning a mammoth exercise so that right when the vaccines are ready to be given to beneficiaries, all the plan and the strategy across the country on how people will be coming into those centers, their data to be collected, each one to be cross-verified, only to ensure that there's no duplicity there, people doubling up for a frontline worker or healthcare worker, all that exercise to be fully coordinated and the entire network to be strengthened and kept in place. Discussions on that's currently underway. On the right hand side, you see some shots coming in of the meeting that's just started between the Prime Minister as well as the Chief Ministers of states. In fact, health ministers and experts are also currently part of that panel who are taking a keen listen. This is the centre's exercise, like our reporters on ground saying that this is going to be the world's largest exercise, a complex one indeed, with the kind of population India has. This is indeed going to be a task for the government, but so far the dry runs that have been carried out, 2 dry runs that was initiated across the country, have been largely successful. Many hospitals, mostly the hospitals, are going to be the centers where vaccines will be given out, and thousands of volunteers and in fact those deployed by the government have already been trained on how to inoculate people. They've already been pressed into action and are currently on ground preparing for the doses to come to their hands and initiate the inoculation drive. Now, Prime Minister Modi just days ago had given out an insight on this mammoth exercise, the vaccination drive that will start on the 16th of January. Here's what he had said.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.